In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can be able to make over $200 in a day using Picoworkers. And all I'll be asking of you is to pay a good attention throughout this video so that you don't miss out on any step. And without much talk, let's just dive in and create our account. Alright, for you to do that, just hit on this button right here that says sign up. Okay, when you do that, you're going to be on this page. Here, you need to put in your right name here, your real name. Okay, on this place you need to put in your email address. Here you're going to create your password. All right, and here you're going to confirm the password that you just created. Okay, and once you've done that, on this tab you're going to put in your nickname, form of a username right here. All right, and here you're going to select your country. And no matter where you come from, being America, Africa, Asia, Europe, Oceania, no matter where you live in the world, you can still stand up from this website and start making money. Alright, and once you select your country, they're going to ask you if you're a worker or you're just an employer. Don't worry, choose anything that you like because we can actually change it later. Okay, and once you've done that, agree to the terms of use, and here is totally optional to you. If you wish to be receiving news, you can click on this button right here. If not, just leave it blank. Alright, and once you've done that, just hit on sign up. Okay, but if you have your account already, just click on this button right here that says login. Then you're gonna be on this page. Alright, what you need to do just to log in. And once you log in, you're gonna be on the home page just like this. In case if you're still wondering how Picoworkers works, let me explain to you in two ways. Okay, as a freelancer, there are a lot of tasks, a lot of micro jobs right here that you can be doing and be generating some little money, like 30 cents, 20 cents, 1 cent, something like that. Alright, but that is not the way we are going to be making money from Picoworkers today. Okay, we are going to be using the other way around, which is the other method. We are going to be making money as the employers. Okay, that is the advertisers. Okay, now I'm going to walk you through how we are going to be making money as the advertisers, and at the end I will still walk you through how you can be making money as the freelancers. Alright, for us to be able to make over $200 in just 2 days, what we need to do is to use another website with Picoworkers. Alright, what you need to do is to go over to Google and type Grammarly. Okay, and once you see the Grammarly, you're going to click on the link. Then you're going to be on a page like this. Alright, if you don't know what Grammarly is all about, it's a software that helps in proofreading, correct grammatical errors, and something like that. Alright, so we're going to be using Picoworkers to drive some traffic to this website. Okay, and to do that, you just have to go to the down of the page and come to the company. Alright, once you're here, you're going to hit on the affiliate, then you're going to be on this page. Now you don't have to be scared. Even if you're just a beginner, even if you don't even have an experience, you're not a professional, you can still use everything that we are going to talk about here to start making money from Picoworkers. Alright, this very Grammarly here are willing to pay us 20 cents each time a person sign up. You can see the logic. They are going to pay us 20 cents for each referral that we bring. That is, each person that signed up from this program, they are going to pay us 20 cents. I believe this method hasn't been discussed on Picoworkers before. That is the main reason why I made this research for you, for the people who are willing to start making money online. Now, if Grammarly are willing to pay us 20 cents per person, alright, and we use this Picoworkers to have out about 100 sign up, that is 100 people to sign up, in just 2 days or just in a day, we are going to be making $200. Alright, so that is the main logic here, and that is the main way that you are going to be doing it. And now that you know how much you are going to be making, what you need to do is to click on this button that says become an affiliate. Now here they are going to be asking you of your company name, and even if you don't even have a company name, you just write your real name right here. Okay, and they're going to be asking you of your website. Just put in anything you have here. You can put your social network profile right here. Alright, and then on the address, you're going to put in your mail address and the city and the country where you live in. Alright, and put in the state and the zip code. Okay, and once you've done that, you're going to put in your phone number. That's how you're going to answer the whole question. Alright, and once you've done that, you're going to hit continue and log in. Then you're going to create your account. You wait for them to verify your account. Alright, and once your account is being verified, it's being created, what you need to do is to return to Picoworkers. Alright, before we go further into the video, let me quickly introduce myself. In case if it's your first time here, my name is Wilson. You're welcome to my channel. On this channel, I teach about different ways and different strategies that you can use to make money online. And the main topic are affiliate marketing, CPA, work from home job, and some legit websites that are going to pay you from home. So if you feel like you want to be part of the family, you can subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload any video, you will always be notified by YouTube. Right? And if you are finding this video to be helpful so far and informative, please do give me a thumbs up so that the YouTube algorithm will push this video out to more people who are looking for ways to make money online. Now that we're on Picoworkers, what you need to do is to switch to employer. Alright, we are still on the freelancer tab. Okay, if you switch to the employer, you're going to be on the page just like this. Okay, you can see that here I've carried out many tasks, and this was the main one that I used, over 1,000 people. Okay, and at the end it has generated me over $200. Okay, you can see that I'm not just saying it, I have actually done it already. And now what we are going to do is to hit on this button that says push job. Alright, once you've done that, you're gonna be on this page just like this. What you want to do is to select international, and if you want to exclude some country, you can actually exclude some country, but just leave it blank just like this. Alright, once you've done that, just hit on apply and go to next. And here they're going to ask you to choose for the job category. Okay, what you want to do is to hit on this button that says sign up. Okay, go down, you have your sub category also. Right, just come here and write simple sign up. Once you've done that, hit on the apply and go to next. Okay, and here you are going to be asked to write the job title, which is Grammarly sign up. Alright, just write it there. And here you're going to be asked what specific task that is need to complete. Step 1, go to Grammarly. Step 2, create an account. And step 3, become an affiliate. You can actually add another step if you wish. Okay, this place is actually optional. Okay, but if you want to write something specific, you can write it here. Alright, you can write something like the account that you create must be verified. Alright, and you can still write additional notes. All of these are optional. Okay, and when you come here, you're going to be asked require proof that the job was created. You can see step 1, send a screenshot. Alright, just come here and say screenshot and say send a screenshot of your account that was created. Alright, you can leave the step 2, or you can do step 2, step 3, and they approve for proper verification. Alright, and you can also add auto validated proof. If you want the machine to just do it for you, but I don't do it this way, you should make sure everything is manual. Alright, and once you've done that, hit on the apply and go to next, and then you're gonna be on this last page. Here is going to be based on your budget. Alright, you can see speed. This speed actually means if you leave it to be 1000, the rate at which they are going to do it is going to be very fast. Alright, if you want it to be very fast, you can leave it to be 1000. Alright, but if you want it to be slow, to look like human, you can leave it to be like 500 or even 200. Alright, but I would advise you to make it low so that it will look like it is human. Alright, if you leave it at 1000, it might last just 2 hours and the job will be gone. Alright, so this money you can actually even make it in a day or even in 2 days. But if you want it to look like human, you can actually let it run in 3 days. Alright, here you're going to be asked of the workers that is needed. You can put like 1,000 workers. Alright, this one just leave it the way it is. Maximum position per worker 1. Alright, and here you're going to be asked how much you're going to pay for each worker. Alright, but since they are going to be paying those 20 cents per each person that will refer, I will be willing to pay 5 cents for each worker. Alright, they are paying us 20 cents, then I will be paying these people 5 cents. Alright, and at the end of the day, everybody is winning. Okay, and here it says hold job time. That means if a worker sees your job, he might need to hold your job for how many minutes do you want? You can say 5 minutes or even 3 minutes. Can pay pause after approval, just leave it this way. Okay, and require screenshots just 1. So at the end of the day, you are going to be paying $54 and you are going to be making over $200. The more workers that you put here, you can put 2,000, 3,000. At the end of the day, you're going to be making like $600. Alright, and be spending like $150. So it's going to be depends on your budget. Alright, and those 3,000 people, you can make it to run in a day and you can be making that $600 in a day. But I would advise you make it run like 3 or 4 days so that they will not suspect you and believe everything is free traffic. Alright, that is how you can be able to use Picoworkers to be generating more than $200 in just 2 days or even a day. Alright, so if you watch this video to this point, I do appreciate your effort. But if you are not so satisfied, you don't want to use Picoworkers in this way, this video right here or even this playlist right here is going to show you different ways and different strategies that you can use to make more money online. Alright, so see you next time with another video again, just like this, on how to stay at the comfort of your home and make money online. Cheers, peace out.